Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today is a special edition. Holi is just around the corner and Vandana is with me. And together we're going to make Gujiya.
Hi, I grew up in an Indian family with traditional eating habits. Life gave me an opportunity to come to the UK and be a part of a multicultural society. I had the opportunity to taste various cuisines, loving every food that I tasted. As I get older, I cherish eating foods that I grew up with, especially during festivals when one wants to bring culture home. The festivals also give an opportunity to give our children a taste of what we grew up with. So we shall be making Gujiyas today with a modern twist, more tuned in with modern eating habits, so we all can enjoy the festival together.
So if you're wondering what Gujiya is, we made these a bit earlier. This is the traditional style Gujiya, which is like a pastry shell with a dry fruit filling. I'll just open one for you and show. Yeah, there you go. So it's like a sweet pastry and stuffed with dry fruits and other bits, which we will talk about as we go along.
We've lined up ingredients here. These are for the filling: a mixture of dry fruits, unrefined brown sugar, Chirongi, a bit of coconut flakes. And for the pastry, we've got suji and Chappatti flour. For the hoya, we shall be using skimmed milk powder today.
So while Vandana makes the dough with the Chappatti flour, semolina, milk and a bit of ghee, I will go along and make 5-minute hoya in the microwave with skimmed milk powder. All the quantities of the amount we use will be in the description. So to make the 5-minute khoya in the microwave, I'm going to make a thick paste with water from the skimmed milk powder. There you go. I just made a thick paste. And please use very large bowl because this tends to boil over in the microwave. So in a very large bowl which goes into the microwave, I made a thick paste. So as you see, it started boiling inside and it's coming up. So it's very important to take a rather large bowl, and you would have to take it out a couple of times and stir it around, and then it goes back again. So I've taken our skimmed milk 5-minute khoya out of the microwave, and while it's still hot, I've added the shakkar to it. And when it's trying to cool down, we will add the nuts which Vandana is getting ready, roasted and all chopped up.
I've dry roasted the nuts and chopped them in a blender. So let's mix them with the khoya. The dough is ready now. I use chapati flour and suji in the ratio of 3:1. Used a bit of ghee and skimmed milk to knead the dough. Make sure that the consistency is a bit hard and rest the dough for about half an hour. While I'm rolling the Gujiya, Yogesh will do the filling. It's quite easy to roll, and you will know that the consistency is right if you're able to easily roll without any dusting on the Gujiyas. If you don't have a mold, you can fill the Gujiyas in this way. Make sure that you've stuck the edges, and we can use a fork to shape them. We are brushing the gujiyas with ghee, and we shall be making them in the air fryer, but you could also bake them in a very hot oven.
So as you see, our Gujiyas are out of the air fryer. What I had done was take them out halfway and turn them around, and then in the end have glazed them with honey, and then put them back again for a minute only. Took them out again, sprinkled pistachios on top. So our Gujiyas, which are air fried and which are made with Chappatti flour, are ready. We take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Holi.
Happy Holi!